$500 per day online in 2020. Free method. All you'll be doing is copy and pasting. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy O'Brien Street, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $500 per day in 2020 for free, copy and pasting with making money online, right? So guys, this method is gonna be an awesome method. Reason why is because of I am the person that's actually using this method on a daily basis to drive traffic to my offers and also my YouTube channel, right? So what I'm gonna do is just take off this camera and then start. And also guys, before I even take off my camera, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this because I'm creating videos on a daily basis. Alright guys, so this is the site where you're gonna actually go ahead and run your ads for free. So it's called the free ad form. It's an amazing platform, guys. As I said, it's totally free. So once you're on the site, all you're gonna do is actually sign up. I'm already logged in. So you see, you say right here, you say hey O'Brien Street. But guys, this is an amazing platform where you can create ads from in business opportunity, classes, real estate, jobs, community, service, and there's a lot of location. The top location that most person run ads to, like Australia, Canada, France, right? So guys, what you probably say, O'Brien, how do you set up ads on this now, O'Brien? And also, where am I gonna find those products? But don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to do everything step by step in this video. So how you're gonna find the product is actually going on this site. This is called ClipBank. It's an amazing site where you can find any offered online, right? There's other version of ClipBank out there, like different site like JBT and stuff like that. But ClipBank is more beginners friendly, right? And also it's worldwide, guys. So all you need to do is sign up. It's totally free to sign up, guys. And once you sign up, you're gonna be going over to the marketplace. This is the how the marketplace should look. Once you're at the marketplace, as you can see, there's a lot of categories for you to promote something in. And what I'm gonna pick is actually I'm gonna pick the niche that I'm interested in, which is gonna be e-business and e-marketing, right? Then once I actually find a product, I'm gonna go ahead and look for a product right now. So what product would I take today? Alright guys, so I'm gonna actually pick this product, right? So this is an amazing product, right? And as you can see, for making one sale, I'm gonna actually get $304.10. So all I need to do is make 2 sales per deal and I actually complete my $500 goal. So basically I'm gonna be making $608.20 per day. That's pretty awesome, right? By just getting 2 customers. That's very simple, right? So what you're gonna do is click on promote right here. Once you click promote, then you're going to actually generate your link. As you can see, it's going to be 50% commission on every person that you actually refer. So I'm going to click on generate hub link. And this is my unique affiliate link. So all I can do is click on copyright here and minimize this. Then what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to actually come back over here. And what I'm going to do is publish your free ad, right? And also, it's loading. Alright, awesome guys. So once I could publish my free ad, the next step is actually pick my category, which it was in business opportunity. So I'm gonna select work from home, right? So then I'm gonna create a title. So what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and actually go on their site. So this is actually the site that the person is gonna go to once they click my link. I want this to be congruent, meaning everything look the same or look exactly alike, guys. So my title is gonna be this. Then I'm gonna find some description. what you can do, guys, is actually write something, but because of this video I'm just gonna actually just copy and paste. Right, so next I'm gonna use this right here, copy and paste. So that's my description. Then the next step, guys, is actually selecting my location. All right, where am I gonna run this ad? So I'm gonna run it in the United States. Which region? I'm gonna pick Florida. Then which city? Let's pick any one of these. Then next step, I'm gonna go back and get my link. So this was my link right here. I won't be giving them this raw big link, guys. So what I'm gonna do is actually come over here to bit.ly and then shorten it, right? So this is my shortened version. I'm gonna copy this. Then I'm gonna come back over here, guys. After that, I'm gonna paste my link right here. Right, this, as you can see, this is very simple, guys, and it's very easy to do. All right, also to let you know, you should actually have like pictures or video, more likely pictures to drop, but because of this I'm just gonna actually select something random. Let's go. Okay, I'll give you your time to work up. All right, guys, you can actually see that this method is actually very simple to do and is very easy. So let me put this. It doesn't have anything to do with it, but I'm gonna put this. And after I do that, guys, all I'm gonna do is actually come here, click on no thanks. I don't want to pay any money, and they're gonna run it for free. As you can see, you can pay money to have it for a longer period of time. Once I do that, I click on publish. All right, leave. Well, the reason why I just see that is because of the picture that I was posting. And once I'm finished, guys, so that is actually going to be published now. As you can see, I actually run I published one today, and you can see they send me a message in my email, say, hey, your ad has been just been published, guys. So that's actually how I'm actually driving traffic to my offers, and it's actually very simple to do, guys, and anyone can do it. No, guys, if you're looking for something to change your life completely and you want more in-depth training on how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, all you need to do is actually click the first link below this video, and it's going to take you over to my #1 recommended way on making money online. And also, once you join that training, all you can do is go ahead and message me on Facebook, which my name is Streete on Facebook, and request to join my free Facebook group, and I'll be helping you step by step there, meaning helping you set up your sales funnel, getting your first sale. So guys, and also guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also hit that thumbs up, and also leave a comment on like what kind of videos you want me to create next. And peace out.